demon here. Look at my grandparents' dog. He's trying to attack a rock.
Better watch out, nobody behind here. There's the rock back too.
The rock looks like it hurts.
The rock is probably if the rock was alive right now, the rock would be really hurt.
She smoothed that rock down. It was bigger.
Oh God. Hi, Osa.
Osa. Is that the rock?
That's Osa right there. See, that's the one that's attacking the rock. Osa. What up, Osa?
What are you doing with
Hi,
your rock, Osa?
Get your rock, Osa. Get your rock.
She likes licking people in the face.
Get the rock. Oh, that's the rock. There you go.
This is so funny. You eat that rock, Osa.
Right on her phone because she's poking me, I poke her back.
Yeah, you get that rock. You get that rock, Osa. I'm just gonna sit right here. You get that rock. Attack that rock. Good, Osa. Good, Osa.
Oh, I forgot it's dead.
What, you're fine? Let me see the plug for it.
Well, that was cute. So this is the demon sign off. See you there. Okay, subscribe and like the videos and comment if you want on how awesome these are. If you sneeze in this video, bless you. Peace off. Boop. Subscribe.